All right, I'm back at work, and what I'm making this week is an 18 gauge clothes helmet. This is 18 gauge steel, and I hammered them out in wood, and then I plastered it on the anvil, clean them all up. And I had to make them identical, which is pretty hard to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to MIG weld the two together. Now, I've shown you on other videos how they would, back in the 16th century, they would kind of roll one edge over the other and rivet them together, just and crimp the top together. But they would also, as a general rule, do forge welding, a lot of forge welding. So what they would do is they would either crimp it together or just temporarily rivet them together, and then they would forge weld the helmet so it becomes one piece. And I'm just doing the modern version of that. I'm going to be MIG welding mine and make it into a one-piece top. So that's a project for today. All right, so what I want to do is I just want to tack it together first before I commit to welding it. So I'm going to start lining it up, tack welding it together right here at the front. Then I'm going to tack weld it at the back now to make sure they line up. Yeah, so at the front and back. Then I'm going to sort of hold these together and start tack welding it together. If I think it lines up properly, I'm just going to start making more tack welds, sort of holding it together with pliers, and then finish welding it. So as you can see here, I'm just going to be filling in these gaps now. I'm just going to weld the two parts together and then grind it off. So I finished welding it together, and this is what it looks like. It's almost finished. I just have to finish getting a good final grinding.